Welcome to SP MPC classes. Today we are going to learn about acids and bases according to the 10th class. Chapter number 3 activities are there. This is useful for the 10th class as well as 7th class IIT also. Let us learn now. So here in this first activity, verifying the nature of various substances with different type of indicators. Let us see that. First of all, we need materials. What we required: watch glass, dropper. Again we need a methyl orange indicator, phenolphthalein indicator, blue litmus paper, hydrochloric acid, sulphuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, one spatula. Okay, so let us do this activity. First of all, precautions you have to know. Wear laboratory hand gloves, laboratory goggles and apron. Do not touch any chemical, do not taste any chemical, do not take the smell of any chemical. Without teacher guidance, don't do any activity. Okay, and make sure that you should have full uniform, full shirt, full pant and along with shoe. Why? Because there might be glass pieces in the laboratory. We have to be take care. We have to follow all these precautions. First of all, what we should do? You know very well. Okay, all the chemicals are there, acids and bases are there, that you have to add to the water. The base which is soluble in water is known as alkali, alkaline, or we can say alkali. And here as acids also soluble in water, so we can say they are aqueous solutions. Okay, if you see here we have formed hydrochloric acid. So in this we have hydrogen H plus, so it is acid. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, H plus along with SO4 minus 2, it is also acid. HNO3 H plus NO3 minus, it is also acid. Acetic acid CH3 COO minus H plus, here we have H plus, it is also acid. So we can say all the compounds which are having H plus ions, hydrogen ion, is known as acid. Fifth one we have OH minus, Na plus OH minus, it is a base. Sixth one potassium hydroxide K plus OH minus, it is also base. Magnesium Mg plus 2OH minus, it is also base. NH4OH NH4 plus OH minus, it is also base. And calcium hydroxide Ca plus 2 OH minus, it is also base. So we can say OH minus ions containing compounds are bases. Hydroxy ion, OH, O oxygen, H hydrogen, O oxy, H hydroxy. So OH minus ions containing compounds are hydroxy ions, H plus ions containing compounds are hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion, H plus ion containing compounds known as acids, OH minus ions containing compounds known as bases. This information is enough for this table. If you go to the higher classes, they can say if we have oxygen also, that is also one of the base. Magnesium oxide base, calcium oxide base, Na2O sodium oxide base. All the oxides also bases. Okay. So acids H plus ion, or we can say H3O plus ion. If we have H3O plus ion, hydronium ion, that type of compounds also called as bases. Okay. So this is the information that we will get from the table. Total 9 compounds are there. HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, which is known as oil of vitriol, king of chemicals, HNO3 nitric acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, nothing but vinegar. Okay, So 5% of acetic acid means 5 ml of acetic acid in 100 ml water is known as vinegar. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, which is also known as caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. 6th one COOH, which is known as caustic potash, potassium hydroxide. 7th one milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH taken twice. 8th one glass cleaner, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. 9th one quick lime. Okay, it is slaked lime. Quick lime is CaO, slaked lime is CaOH taken twice. Okay, so quick lime CaO, slaked lime CaOH taken twice. So these are the information that we will get from the table. Now we are going to see indicator test one by one. Okay, let us continue our topic part 2. Here we are going to write test with blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, methyl orange phenolphthalein. Blue litmus paper. You remember A, B, R. Okay, A, B, R means you can remember Ambedkar. Here I will write. I need space. I will take a little bit down. So here A, B, R. It means Ambedkar. So you remember A means acids, B means blue litmus paper, and R means red. So we can write Ambedkar. Acids convert blue litmus paper to the red. Ambedkar. BRB. Bharat Bandh. B means base. Convert red litmus paper to the blue. Bharat Bandh. So these are the two codes you can remember. If you are perfect, no need of any code. So those who are learning first time, they can remember Ambedkar Bharat Bandh. Why? Because in examination, instead of acid convert blue to red, many members are writing acid convert red to blue. So Ambedkar code you remember A, B, or Ambedkar acid convert blue to red. Bharat Bandh base convert red litmus to blue. It is enough. What about red litmus paper in acid? In acid, red will be red only. So instead of confusing, here you write no change. Red litmus paper, no change. With the base blue litmus paper, no change. It is better. Okay. Instead of saying red is red only, blue is blue only, instead of that you write no change. Acid, do not change red litmus to any color. Base, do not change blue litmus to red color. But acid changes blue litmus paper to red color, and bases changes red litmus to blue color. So these are the topics you have to remember. Methyl orange. So these two are synthetic indicator. Okay, you know what is meant by indicator, which indicates whether it is acid or base by giving a change in the color. That you have to remember. So here indicators are there. Natural indicators are there. Synthetic indicators are there. Natural indicators means which we are getting naturally, like turmeric powder, beetroot juice, China rose, red cabbage, hibiscus flowers, okay, mango leaves, oleander flowers. These are all natural indicators. So here litmus paper also natural indicator only. So you remember that generally litmus paper, it is in purple color, which is neutral. So it is a dye extracted from lichen. Okay, lichen, it is a Thalophyta group of plant. From that plant they are extracting the dye which is neutral purple in color, that we are converting into the red litmus or blue litmus. So acid can convert blue to red, bases can convert red to blue. This information you have to remember. Okay, now we are moving to solve this table. Let us complete the table. Hydrochloric acid, hydrogen is there, acid H plus. H2SO4, H plus is there, it is also acid. HNO3, H plus is there, acid. CH3COH, H plus is there, acid. NaOH, OH minus is their base. KOH, OH minus is their base. MgOH taken to OH minus is their base. Ammonium hydroxide, OH minus is their base. Calcium hydroxide, OH minus is there, which is base. So you know acids convert blue to red. ABR, Ambedkar, acid convert blue to red. So HCl, so it converts blue to red. H2SO4 also red. HNO3 also red. Acetic acid also red. Okay. So bases we know very well. Blue litmus, there is no change. So instead of writing blue, I will write no change. No change. No change. It is better to write no change. Instead of writing blue will be blue, write no change. Red litmus with acid, BRB, Bharat Bandh. So with bases only, red will become blue. Blue. Sodium hydroxide blue. Potassium hydroxide ready to blue. Magnesium hydroxide ready to blue. Ammonium hydroxide ready to blue. Calcium hydroxide ready to blue. What about acid? You know very well. Bases do not change red litmus paper. Instead of writing red will be red only. So instead of that you write no change. No change. No change. No change. No change. Okay. And here you remember methyl orange. Methyl orange, it is a synthetic indicator. Phenolphthalein, it is synthetic indicator. Methyl orange, it is in orange color. With acids, methyl orange either will give red color or orange color. Okay. Why orange means? Because of the impurities. Okay. So here I will write methyl orange converting acid to the orange color or red color. Okay. So I will write red. Methyl orange with acid, red. Red, red. Okay. If you want you can write orange also. If you want you can write orange, red or reddish orange, whatever it may be. Methyl orange with base. Methyl orange with acid orange with the base yellow. With the base yellow. So remaining 5 are bases, so we should write yellow. Phenolphthalein, it is colorless solution. Okay. So here you write phenolphthalein with acid, no change, or we can write colorless. 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 Okay. Colorless. Okay. So you can write color COLOR also, COLOUR also. Okay. Written English, American English. Don't confuse. Colorless. And with the bases, it will be converted to the pink. So bases with phenolphthalein, we are getting pink color. So you remember bases with phenolphthalein, pink color. So this is the first activity of the 10th class. I have explained very slowly, approximately 10 minutes. I hope you got a good clarity. You remember Ambedkar Bharat Bandh, acid convert blue to red, base convert red to blue, methyl orange with acid red color, with the base yellow color, phenolphthalein solution with acid no color, colorless, with bases pink color. This is the first activity that you have to remember. So this is our acids and bases first video part 1. Now in next video we are going to see second activity. Thank you.